You can make a screencast or record your screen right on your Mac. I'm going to walk you through how to do that. If you press the key combinations Shift Command 5, these options come up. If you take notice, this will capture the entire screen, or just a window, or just a portion of the screen. I want to record the entire screen, so these are just pictures, but these are your videos. So if I want to record my entire screen, I come over to Options, and from here I get to decide where I want my finished video sent. I usually send it to my desktop so I can find it easily. The countdown timer, using the built-in microphone, showing mouse clicks and those types of things, you can select those. When you're ready, you hit record, and it'll count you down. And right now it's recording my screen, and I know it is because right up here is my record button. When I'm finished, I hit this, and see it pop down here. It's going to save on my desktop as a screen recording. And from there I can upload it to Google Drive or YouTube.